Hi everyone and welcome, and today we have this software called Kirmada, and this is the best web browser for business. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description of this video using which you can get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now jumping onto the platform, you can see we have many features offered specifically for businesses, like for example we have tab optimization, so managing multiple tabs if you are running a business is a hassle on normal browsers. So this provides you features related to optimizing the use of different tabs, because it have this really nice interface that you can utilize, and tabs are appearing in a really nice format. So this is something that you should try out, and it is also something new. Also, it have accurate billing, so automatic time tracker records every moment you spend working for a client or on a project, ensuring your timesheets account for every billable minute. Now we also have shared workspace, so in most of the browsers we do not have this kind of feature, like for example shared workspaces. So you can share workspaces with a touch of a button, sending all account files, passwords and websites they needed to get tracking. So we have a cloud file storage and much more. So now an amazing thing about it, it comes with this really low pricing and plan features. So if you head over to their platform and click on try for free, you will be able to see I am currently logged into my account. Now you need to simply download their software. So it is available on Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So it is available on Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So something really that you should try out. And also, if you are still unsure about the platform, I have some really good reviews about it on G2. You can see absolutely amazing system to use, sorting my life out with Kirmada. So the platform is really well rated, and you should actually try out because it is something different and unique. Also, it offers various features. So you can head over to the link in the description using which you can try out Kirmada and also get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.